Are you seeing the Microsoft XML2 Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we begin our Microsoft XML2 library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Microsoft XML2 library, the original version of the Microsoft XML Parser. While obsolete, it is still a dependency for legacy industrial software and early 2000s web-connected apps. Its absence or registry unregistration causes XML Parser not found errors in old installation wizards and business database interfaces. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Because Microsoft XML2 Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Microsoft XML2 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Microsoft XML2 Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Microsoft XML2 Library Management. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Microsoft XML2 library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.